I should really think about what this thing is. If it's a person or a place or a thing, just think about it for me. Think about it really loud. Okay, this isn't really a place. That's not a name. It's like an occurrence. Well, there's real power in this, isn't there? It's like when you think about it, have you experienced this? Not personally, but you've seen it, right, on TV and thing? Because I think when you think about it, you're getting a kind of visceral reaction. Just think about what it is for me, okay, Chelsea? Think about what it is inside. It's like I think I want to say shaking, like a moving, things that are falling off. What do you think of an earthquake? Earthquake. Chelsea, ladies and gentlemen.